If you don't want to go ahead and use pre-existing blocks but want to make your own custom block, then you can actually go ahead and use something called the blank block. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on Add New Section, and over here on the left hand side, you can see blank right here. So you can see that make your own is the option right here, and if you were to go ahead and click, you can see that you get some pre-made sections right here. You can go ahead and click and drag it and place it wherever you want right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, I can go ahead and click and drag this down right here, and I can actually go ahead right here just like this. So I can go ahead onto let's say certain section right here, and then go ahead and click and drag to change the size of it as well. So it is quite customizable, as you can see. But if you don't want that particular element, you can simply go ahead and then delete it out by clicking on the dustbin icon. You want to go ahead and duplicate it, then go ahead and click the duplicate icon right here. And you can utilize the let's say, for example, the drag to reorder tool right here to drag it out wherever you like as well. So that is what you have. So there seems to be an error right here. So let's just go ahead and refresh out the page right here just like this. And there you go. So this is what I have. Well, let me just go ahead and then delete out all of the sections right here. So let's say I want to start really from the scratch, then I can go ahead and delete out all of the items that is there on this particular blank block. But in the blank block, you can see that add elements is an option, meaning you can go ahead and click and add in different elements. Like you can add in text right here. You can go ahead and add in image block. You can go ahead and add in video block, the button block right here, and so forth. And with each of this block, you can go ahead and rearrange it out as you want right here, just like this. You can go ahead and then, let's say, arrange it out to the size and resize it and place it wherever you want. So you can see that there's the sign up form block, there's the provision block of HTML and custom forms as well. So there's contact block right here, as you can see, there's features block. So you can go ahead and click and drag in and add in different elements as you like right here and arrange it out according to how you want. So there's gallery as well and so forth. So you can go ahead and arrange this out. And with each of these sections right here, you get the layout option as well that you can go ahead and choose out the layout for as you like. So that is how, as per how you like, you can go ahead and change around the block as you want and get the layout as you want as well. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the blank block inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.